Hi, in this video I will show you how to add Xiaomi Mi Induction Cooker to the Xiaomi Mi Home app. Open Mi Home app on your smartphone, then tap on this plus sign, tap add device, and now you need to set the Mi Induction Cooker in the pairing mode. You need to press timer and menu key on the cooker for the 5 seconds, and you should see the search icon on the Mi Induction Cooker display. Scroll a little bit down to find the induction stove. Tap on the Mi Induction Cooker, confirm the reset Wi-Fi operation. Select the Wi-Fi network and agree to the user agreement. Go to the next. Sometimes it could not work and that's smooth, so you need to connect manually to the Mi Cooker Wi-Fi network. Is this one. And go back if you are connected, and now the Mi Induction Cooker is connecting to the network. Okay, now you need to choose the room, set a name, and tap let's get started. And it's already now the Mi Induction Cooker is added to the Mi Home app. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.